Sometimes you receive a PDF file and you just need the text from it. Maybe you want to copy the content, edit it, rewrite it, or use it in another document. If you need a text file without images containing text only, in this video I'll show you how to convert a PDF into a text file in just a few clicks. Many online tools allow PDF to text conversion, but they require uploading your file to their servers. If your PDF contains office reports, assignments, research data, or confidential documents, uploading them online may not be safe. So instead, we'll use an offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor. This tool works completely on your computer. Your files never leave your system. You can download Systweak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. Let us begin. First, click Open PDF and select the PDF file you want to convert. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. From here, click on Convert to. Now select text from the available options. A new window will appear. Choose the output folder where you want to save the text file. Everything looks fine, so click on Convert. The tool will now extract all the text from your PDF and save it as a .txt file. Let us open the folder. Here is the original PDF file and here is the text file created from it. You can now open it in Notepad or any text editor. All the text is extracted and ready to copy, edit, or use anywhere. And all of this happened directly on your PC without uploading your files anywhere. Now let us look quickly at one more useful option. You can also convert multiple PDF files to text format at the same time. Just click on Convert, then go to Batch Process and select Batch Convert. Just add multiple PDFs, choose Text, select the output folder and start the conversion. This saves a lot of time when working with many files. So this is the easiest and safest way to convert a PDF into a text file on Windows. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.